Thing, driveway, there's a lake across the street, nice big front yard. Now we're gonna go try to check out the basement, but I think the lights are off down there. So I don't know if you guys are gonna see a damn thing or not. You guys down here?
Well, Jerry is. There's a home theater down there.
That's fine. Hand me that flashlight that's in the clipboard.
Where?
In the clipboard. Oh, never mind, there's a light.
Huh. Oh, that's a lot better.
As you can see, the ceiling is not completely finished. Cole, you don't need the flashlight anymore. The light's on.
Not all of
Did you try the lights?
No.
Look at that. Light works. Paneling in this room. Carpets aren't in horrible shape, but they still need to be replaced. Mold.
That's crap. What's that?
A little window. What's in here? Ugh. Wow, that was a horror movie moment. Big giant hole in the wall. Moldy, 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 moldy. And a little door that I barely fit through. Suck it in. Alright.
Well, Jerry.
What's in here? Oh, hey, bathroom. Shower.
Probably the non-moldy place I've actually seen, except for that. That's just rust.
Steel. Alright, back up.
You turned the light off. Here's the other way.
You guys know the lights are on, right?
Yeah. I want to keep it on. No.
Come on up.
Where's the other flashlight? Where's the other flashlight? Where's the other flashlight?
Laundry room
Holy crap.
with
That's a freezer.
appears to be a freezer full of crap.
Full of food.
Yeah.
One thing I've
At
learned.
least it's on.
Yeah.
And it closes right on the door.
It stinks.
Oh yeah.
It's one of the reasons I have to bring people with me. I actually don't have a sense of smell. So
Oh.
I want to see a smelly part.
that can cause issues.
I see.
Want to see the
Yeah.
beer that came in?
In a minute, Adrian.
There is no light in there.
Did you try it?
There is no light. Oh, it's there somewhere. Doesn't work.
Look up. Give me the flashlight. Give me the flashlight.
Here. With you.
That's just a dead end there. It looks like it
Yeah.
looks like it was going to be another bathroom. Here's the movie theater.
Cool. Hit that light.
That's how you got a nice full house air exchanger.
What's this house?
Yeah. Yeah.
That one works.
What's this house is?
What's that one do? They say there's no lights. I come down, I flip the light, and everything turns on.
Yeah.
I need more light.
This is a nice little feature here. This has a spendy little unit there.
Oh, yeah.
Air exchanger. You can they turn
Can
that
I
on.
have
You
a flashlight?
change
No.
all the heat out in like 5 minutes out of the house, and you turn it on high, and you recover 80% of the heat.
I want to
Adrian, quiet.
see a movie theater. See a movie
Something on
theater.
the floor over here. Oh, it's a curtain.
It's just the curtain.
What's in here? Hey there. I didn't see it.
You
Go back
got
upstairs.
sunglasses
What's
on.
all this already?
This is not my
The balloon.
sunglasses.
It's like the setting of a horror movie.
I get a little bit dirty. These are scene stuff.
Huh. There's definitely a ton of room down here.
Yeah, yeah.
Not much done with it, but there's a ton of
No.
room down here.
Well, that could be done with it.
Yeah.